Hello everyone, welcome to our weekly learning series from the book of Peter Drucker. Here we are with week 42 and the title is Where Do I Really Belong? Let me begin here today with a quote from Confucius and it goes like this: choose a job you love, you will never have to work a day in your life. Choose a job you love, you will never have to work a day in your life. I'm sure it says a lot to all of us. Still in life, it is very common to remain in a position that doesn't fulfill your greatest desires, even though you are greatly successful in that role. People, especially family members, may depend on you. A sense of duty and commitment set in, and you keep continuing with your same daily mechanical routine. The danger is that you may lose the vision of what would make you truly happy. And the other issue is that you may develop a nagging sense that you are doing damage to yourself, to your family members, and to the organization by continuing there. It may be time to rekindle your imagination and try finding a way out. One of the best way to deal with this is by asking a question to yourself. Where do I really belong? And if the thoughtful answer is you don't belong where you currently work, then ask a next question. Why? Is it because you don't accept the values of the organization? Are there cultural and integrity issues? Or you might find working yourself for a boss who fails in the crucial duty of a leader, which may be to support, foster and promote capable subordinates. If you are sure that you are at wrong place and also clear about next steps, then the right decision is to quit and move on. I can understand that's not easy, but one way in which you can minimize the effect of this kind of experiences, for example, identity crisis, setback in career, boredom, etc., is through a proper and comprehensive planning. Take a little control over your career. And I am talking here about a career planning which can be explored in 5 ways. First, what are your strengths and values? Second, how you can build on them. Third, what do I have to unlearn, learn and relearn? Fourth, where do I belong? Last but not the least, do I really belong to this company? Also, think on the perspectives about achievement and meaning. Are you really getting closer to your goal from the achievement perspective? And at the end of the day, are you getting that joy and satisfaction from the meaning perspective? One must take the accountability of asking these questions from time to time and importantly, acting on those answers. This reminds me about a beautiful story of a man who visits the construction site and sees 3 people working there. He goes to the first person and asks him, "Hey buddy, what do you do?" That person replies, "I am laying the bricks." He goes to the second person and asks, "What do you do?" And the person replies, "I am constructing this wall." He goes to the third person and as he is walking up there, he hears him singing a tune. My goodness, what do you do? The third person stops the work, remove the safety helmet, wipe off the sweat, sees towards sky and says, I am building this beautiful church. I'm sure you must have got that jab of achievement and meaning in his job. Yes, that's what matters. So, is a way forward? Engage in your career planning by identifying your strengths and values. Keep building and developing on them. And during your journey, pause, reflect, take a U-turn if required in your quest to explore where do I really belong. Here is wishing you all the best. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next week with another Business Weekly Bite. Till then, stay safe, take care and happy learning.